today I'm going to show you how to spice up your instant coffee at home. Check it out. Hey, how are you? Toph here. Welcome back to the channel. Kumusta? I hope you're all doing good. And today I'm going to show you how to spice up your instant coffee and take it up a notch. So before we jump in, let's do a time check first. Time now is 5:29. Brought to you by the Seiko Monster. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I make my own instant coffee and how I spice it up. What do I do? What ingredients I use? So please stay tuned. Questions of the day: what's your own preference in making your own coffee? What are the things that you add to it and to make it better? So post it in the comments below. Please check out my other video on how I make my own coffee using my AeroPress. So check it out. I'd like to say thank you for all my 100 plus subscribers. You know who you are. So thank you. Salamat. If you enjoyed watching, please like it. And if you got something from the video, please share it with your friends or your family. That's all for now. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Coffee do you use? if you like the video, please like it. Labo.